What's up everyone, and welcome back to the Owl's Nest. Today's video we have a Marvel Collector Core Year of the Shield.
Wait a minute! Who are you?
Yes, ladies and gentlemen, it has been a minute since I made a video, so let's go ahead and kick it off with the Year of the Shield Marvel Collector Core box. So what is inside of this box? I don't know. Well, past boxes they've had 2 Funko Pops, a shirt, a decal, and a pin, I believe. Yeah, I believe that's what it is. So hopefully probably the same amount of stuff is going to be in this box in past boxes. So let's go ahead and crack it open and see what's inside. Bam. I'm going to open the box. I'll let you look at the contents first. Everything just fell out. There we have it. What's inside? Alright, so it looks like we have a shirt. We'll take a look at that in a second because I will end up putting that on. So, alright, so we got 2 Funko Pops and I think something just fell. Give me 1 second. The thing that fell was the pin, and there is the pin right there. Really freaking sweet. Definitely going on my pin board. Yeah, I really like the Marvel Collector Core pins, or any pins for that matter, but the Marvel Collector Core pins hold a special place in the old heart. We got a sticker or a decal, whatever you want to call it. It is a decal, pretty freaking cool. I've got like a stack somewhere of Marvel Collector Core decals. First pop I've got in my possession is the Year of the Shield World War II Ultimate Captain America, which looks really freaking sweet. That looks really sweet. Holy crap, dude. Yeah, let's go ahead and see what else is in here, and then we'll open these and see what they look like outside of the box. The next one is a Nomad Steve Rogers, which looks really, really freaking sweet as well. I didn't even show the sides. Okay, so there's the front, there's the side, looks pretty cool. The back is just a single card. The other side and the front again. Yep, that one's pretty freaking sweet. I really like that one. That one looks pretty cool. Here is the Nomad Steve Rogers. Looks really freaking sweet. There he is right there. There's the front. There's the side. The back. Rocking that single card action. And the other side. And the front again. So there we have it right there. We're going to take a look at these outside of the box, but first we want to take a look at the shirt because, you know, shirt. And bam! There it is, right there. Really freaking sweet. You know what I gotta do, right? You know. There we go. Had to do it. Had to do it. Do it every time I get these Marvel Collector Cores, and every time I get a shirt, I always have to do that. So, let's see what's inside the box once again. Alright, that's kind of weird. There's no, like, what's coming next, which, obviously, I know what's coming next, but it seems like they would have some kind of, like, little advertisement or something, but that's it. Nothing else in the box. I don't know. So, let's go ahead and look at the pops outside of the box. See what they look like. That Captain America looks really freaking sweet, but let's go ahead and see what they look like outside of the box. I have the World War II Ultimates Captain America. Looks really freaking sweet. I really like this sculpt, this mold. It's very minimal bauble, so it's not really crazy like past Marvel Funko Pops, but there it is right there. Really freaking sweet. I like the little detail that they have right here in the helmet strap. That looks really freaking sweet. Kind of looks more realistic, I guess. I don't know if that's the right meaning or word or whatever, but just the whole, like the strap here. I would be really careful because it could break, but as we go around the back, you can see more of the outfit or hero costume, whatever you want to call it, of Captain America, which looks really, really freaking sweet. I mean, just take a look at that. Let's see if we can get a close-up of that. Yeah, that looks really sweet. And that shield, is that painted on or is it like a sticker? No, it's painted on. Looks really cool. The goggles look really sweet too. The era of World War II is just it's just there with this pop. Really freaking sweet looking. Now let's take a look at the Nomad Steve Rogers. Looks really cool. I mean, it's kind of full bobble, as you can tell. I just like it. It just looks really cool. Nomad. I'm not really understanding the meaning behind the Nomad Steve Rogers. Not fully in depth of all of Marvel and the lore and all that stuff like that. So not really sure what's going on or why this is the way it is. Somebody let me know in the comments. I don't know, but it looks really cool nonetheless. It is the it is the Nomad Steve Rogers. Really freaking sweet. And not to mention the shirt. I really like the shirts. This one kind of still has some kind of weird odor to it, but I can get over it. It's washable. I can wash it and wear it again, so not mad at that. I'll probably wear this for maybe not. Probably won't wear it today, but I'll wait till I clean it and then I'll wear it. But yeah, this has been the Marvel Collector Core box for May. Yeah, I believe May. July is what we're hyped for because it is the What If box. I really want to see what they're going to do with the pops. I want to see what kind of shirt we get, the pins. I really like everything that the Marvel Collector Core box offers. It's $30. I believe you're getting a hell of a deal. The pops alone and the shirt is well over 15 to 15 for the pops. Yeah, $30. The shirt's probably what, another 15, maybe 10, 15 being generous. So the pin, maybe like a couple bucks. That is my time for now. I'd like to thank you for clicking and watching. Be sure to give this video a like, a comment, and a subscribe. I greatly appreciate it. On behalf of the Owl's Nest, I'll see you flock of collectors in the next one.